let's look at the second example. X, Y, Z are 3 points on a circle center O. The tangents at X and Y meet at what? T. If X, T, Y, X, T, Y is 58 degrees, calculate two values for X, Z, Y. Now, if you look at Z, X, Z, Y, you want to find what is here, and let's take this one as X prime. You want to find what is here. So, we want to find the two values for this and this. Now, the next thing we need to do is to look at the diagram carefully. From the diagram, we know that this is the center of the circle. So that means OX is the same thing as OY. And if you look at this, OXT is going to be the same thing as OYT, which is 90 degrees. What is the reason? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. You can see from here to here is radius. So from here, like this, is angle 90 degrees. Radius perpendicular to tangent. So that's the reason. Radius perpendicular to tangent. So the next thing, we know that this is the same thing as this. And the question says we should find X, Z, Y, which is this. So for me to get the angle here, now I know that this is 90 degrees. I know that this is 90 degrees. So the next thing I need to, so I can say that this is going to give me 180. OXT plus OYT is going to give me 180. Because this is 90, this is also 90. So this is giving me 180 degrees. Now, if you look at this diagram very well, you can see how many quadrilaterals we have. If you look at this broken line, like this, 2, 3, 4, forms what? A quadrilateral. Now, the angle here, which is the angle at center here, this plus 58 will give me 180. So that is XOY plus XTY will give me 180. What is the reason? Angle is in quadrilateral. So I have XOY, which is the angle here, XOY, to be equal to 180 degrees minus XTY. XTY is what? 58 degrees. So I have XOY to be what? 180 degrees minus 58 degrees. That will give me 122 degrees. So I know that from here, this here now is 122 degrees. So if this is 122 degrees, that means I can get the angle here. If you look at this diagram, by the time we turn it, this is an arc. Looking at this arc XY, this is angle at the center for that arc. So the angle that is subtended at the circumference is this arc. Is this angle here, XZY. So XZY, that means I can have my XZY to be equals to 1/2 times angle at the center, which is 122 degrees. So the reason is angle at center twice angle at circumference. So if that is the reason, then XZY is going to be equals to, that is 61 degrees. So meaning that this angle here is 61 degrees. And the question says we should find two values for that angle here. So that means I'm going to look at another cyclic quadrilateral. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this angle here and this angle here, they are supplementary angles. So that means I have XZ prime Y to be equals to 180 minus 61 degrees. And that is going to give me XZ prime Y 180 degrees minus 61 degrees. And that will give me 119 degree. So meaning that the two values for this angle, therefore xzy will be equals to 61 degree or 119 degree. So that is how to solve that. So if you have any question, please ask.